Hey folks, my name is Tina Whalen and I am the creator of YouTube Bonanza, folks. I'm stoked because I have been working so hard on this course to let you see how we use YouTube, okay? In this course, all right, a lot of courses say, yeah, you're going to learn from A to Z. Well, you're going to learn from A to Z and then more value, okay? I threw in tons and tons of value for you folks. There's 19 videos inside this course. It's a ton of value, and for this introductory price, it's amazing. But I can't guarantee that this price is going to stay this low, and I can't guarantee you for how long, okay? Because this price is going to probably quadruple with the value that you get inside this course. You're not just going to learn the basic of YouTube, where your creator studio is, and how to rank your channel. You're going to receive a lot more value than that. You're going to learn how to rank. You're going to see me rank a video over my shoulder in front of you. You're going to learn how you can get a photo like this from any YouTube video and share it on your computer. You're also going to learn where to get free traffic and where and how you can outrank your competition. Okay? So right there is tons of value. Don't forget, this is an introductory price. All right? All you got to do is just click that link below. Oh, by the way, folks, I'm giving away 5 free copies. So get a hold of me, and hopefully you'll be one of the first 5s, and I'll give you a free copy. But I'm only giving out 5 free copies, so you got to hurry up and click that link, okay? Or get a hold of me. If the 5 is given away, you need to purchase this course at the low introductory cost, okay? Now, all you got to do is click the link below, go to my website, follow the instructions. It will show you where to purchase the course. It will take you to PayPal. Once you purchase it, it will give you the link to the 19 videos. So, are you ready? Its time is now. Don't pass this by, folks. Click that link. Get it at this introductory price. Thanks for watching. Have a happy, safe Easter.